there by the ocean blue. No grateful for the feeling grooving. Yeah, feeling grooving. No deeds to do, no promises to keep. I'm feeling how only in light on my feet. But the night I can play, come dance in the sea. Life, I love you, always grooving. Yeah, feeling grooving. No needs to do, no promises to keep. I'm feeling how only in light on my feet. But the night I can play, come dance in the sea. Life, I love you, always grooving. Live a little Hawaiian style and give a little Hawaiian style. When I speak a little Hawaiian style and love a little Hawaiian style. My baby likes to ride those swings. My baby likes to wear my shades. My baby likes to get caught in the rain. It's time to take the long way home. It's time for us to be alone. It's time to show our love for a friend. And I live a little Hawaiian style and give Hawaiian style. Like I'll speak a little Hawaiian style. Kono kako e ole no Hawaiian. And love a little Hawaiian style. E aloha ia oela. Ko papa lina Lahilahi. I ka ho'ohu ia oela. Kaune unia ke kai. E aloha ia oela. Ko papa lina Lahilahi. I ka ho'opulu kauhiala. I ka hune o ke kai. E ano i ka mala o ta'ola wiki nai. Ua i ke hano o mela. Ai pua oe ua apo ia. E ano i ka ula o ka ala wiki nai. Ua i ke hano o mela. Ai pua oe ua apo ia. see the raindrops coming and going. Nobody moving. Either you guys are, comfortable in your place, or I'm imagining the rain.
They're like penguins. They're all huddled together to stay warm.
For all this time, it could just be the drops falling off the front of the tent,
Yeah. I didn't know it's raining.
No.
Is it raining out there? Sorry, I have this.
No, the lady over there is going, no, it's not the drops on the tent.